Hey everybody, I'm here today to show you and tell you how to install couch legs easily. This will be a full tutorial with step-by-step instructions, so let's get right into this awesome, incredibly amazing video. So let's get into this video. I'm going to try and keep it short and sweet. Essentially, the first thing that you want to do is lift up your couch and put it on its side or its back, or on any side basically where you have access to the bottom. This is the underside of the couch, and this is the leg that we're going to be installing. Now, wherever there is a leg on the couch, which most likely is just going to be in the corners of the underside of the couch, there's probably going to be a hole, okay, just like this one right here. And on the leg, there's going to be a little bit of a nub that you're going to basically use to get into the hole. So essentially, we're going to take this leg of the couch, and I'll explain the other scenario in just a moment. We're going to take this leg of the couch, and we're going to press it into this hole over here, very simply just like this. So I'm going to take the leg of the couch, I'm going to push it in. You want to make sure it's in there all the way. Now, when you're doing this for the first time, you might have to give it a little bit of a wiggle and a jiggle, sort of like maybe even maneuver it, turn it a little bit as you're putting the leg on the couch, on the underside of the couch. That's because the hole might be a little bit, small with regards to the leg over here. And essentially, this is an old couch. This couch is like 6 or 7 years old. We've sat on this for many years. We got a new couch, so I brought this one to the garage until I figure out what to do with it next. So that's why this one went in so easily. Now, the other option is going to be if you see some threads on the couch leg or the couch foot. So if this one here had threads on it, which some of the couches that we've had over the years, and I believe the ones that we have right now that have wooden legs, if your couch has a wooden leg, most likely it's going to be threaded. So what that means is you have to spin it in place. So you're going to get the leg in place where there's a hole, and that hole is probably going to have threads on it, and you're going to turn it clockwise, and as you turn it clockwise, it's going to tighten into place. Now, the only time when this gets tricky is if you have legs that are squared off. So if you have wooden legs that are squared off and you're tightening them into place, you might tighten it all the way and it might be on an angle, right? And you want it to be flush with the front of the couch or the back or the side, whatever it is. So what you're going to have to do is just back it off by turning it counterclockwise a little bit to back it off until it's straight, okay? And it doesn't need to go in all the way. It just needs to be in as much as possible. So if you tighten it all the way and it's on an angle, then you can back it off by going counterclockwise a little bit to straighten it off, to straighten it up. And that's essentially it. That is how to install couch legs easily. A full tutorial with step-by-step instructions. If you like this video tutorial, please be sure to give it a thumbs up. Let me know what you think down below as a comment. And of course, be sure to subscribe for more great videos just like this one. And that's all I have for you today. Thanks for watching.